How to delete Gmail account. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, let's go to Gmail app in our mobile phone. So I'll simply go to Gmail. Here you guys will simply click on top right corner profile pic. Here you guys will see manage your Google account. So simply click on that. Now here you guys will wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see on top right corner search option or icon. So simply click on search icon. Now here search for delete. Once I click on delete, I will wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see delete your Google account, delete your Google service, delete your Google account, manage your Google account, Google setting. So simply click on delete your Google account. Here you guys will read all that, and after that you guys will simply click on yes I acknowledge, yes I want, and after that click on delete account and do the process. Once you complete that, your Google Gmail account will be deleted. Thanks for watching.